What's up, guys? It's Mishelle, and today we're out here with the Atlanta Raptors. We're basically going to be off-roading every single type of Raptor you could think of, so let's get into it. So we just finished the safety brief. They are actually so professional. This is like so much more put together than I thought it was. So shout out Atlanta Raptors. We're gonna be doing different trails. We're gonna be doing drag racing. Right now we're all heading to the actual trail itself. We're at Iron Mountain Park in North Georgia. This is literally like some guy's backyard. He has acres of land and he just decided, let's just make this into a huge playground. So this thing has like ramps, trails, all these things. And then also I'm accompanied by Gretchen. Literally one of my best friends in the whole world. Known this girl since elementary school.
We go way back.
Now we're out of college. We're gonna head to the trails now. So sick. Dude, so freaking cool. so hyped. Guys, I've never been off-roading ever. I've always wanted to, like my whole life.
Nismo.
Yeah.
It was time.
It was time. It was time. Before I get rid of the Nismo, I gotta do this.
Yes.
Can you guys guess what my next car will be?
So it's before the whole thing.
Before, no dirt, no mud, but we're about to get. I think, honestly, it doesn't even look that wet. It just looks a little bit dry.
Yeah.
I think we're good. Dude, this is so cool. I think we're gonna go in sport mode, honestly.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Yeah. You wanna say hi to the camera?
Hey. This guy gave us the walkie-talkie. Let's go.
Y'all gonna have fun?
Oh, yeah, dude, we're so excited. We're so pumped.
It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to off-road out here.
Oh! Is that on purpose? I'm glad. We talked about off-roading together.
Yeah, we did. Wait, what they say? Left is Bravo?
Oh.
Or right? I think just follow the red truck.
Yeah.
Probably the best idea. Wait, this looks so pretty.
Oh, whoa! Oh, wow.
Okay guys, we've officially arrived to our first destination. This is basically a huge open dirt area with some barrels that you can drift around. So the first truck we're gonna see going around this is a Ford F-150 Raptor. This has a 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost V6 producing 450 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque. It also has specialized Fox Light valve off-road suspension. I think that one was my favorite so far.
That was the coolest.
So cool. One of the employees was nice enough to offer us a ride, so here's that POV in another Ford F-150.
All ready?
Yep, let's do it.
That's crazy. Now here's the Ranger Raptor. It's a smaller brother to the Ford F-150 Raptor, but it still has a twin turbo 3 liter V6 with 405 horsepower, Fox suspension, and it actually has a quicker 0 to 60 than the standard F-150 since it is a lot lighter. I love when it like spits dirt like all around, like right there.
Oh man, those wheels.
Dude. Oh, they're blue.
The wheels are blue?
Yeah. Or like the rims. Maybe they're gray. Now here's the Bronco Raptor. It shares the same twin-turbo 3-liter V6 with 418 horsepower, but it's built for tackling the toughest trails with massive 37-inch tires, Fox-Light valve suspension, and over 13 inches of suspension travel. So cool, dude. What do you think?
That was really cool. I forgot there's other cars, not trucks here.
Yeah, yeah. The Bronco's my favorite.
Wow.
Yo.
So I think the most popular Raptor is probably the F-150 Raptor. So luckily for you guys, the kind employee who allowed us to ride with him is actually an F-150 owner. So we're gonna take this car on the trails. First, we picked up this lost Bronco.
Hey, I got ammo.
And then we hit the trails to drive to the tracks. This is where we're gonna be testing out speed. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh, wow. Dude, that's wicked! Oh my gosh! That's so crazy!
There's a wrench, a ratchet wrench on the culvert right after the straightaway. It's right in the pit.
Like a tool wrench?
Yes, a ratchet.
Oh my gosh! That's crazy! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Like Gen 3 coming off, it's barely any more on the side. Really makes me want mud flaps again.
Whoa! That was like so. That straightaway in the beginning.
Oh, that would. I thought we were defying gravity.
Dude, it literally. I think we took air like a couple times.
Yeah.
Dude, Raptor F-150 for off-roading, A+ in my book, dude. What about you?
Yeah. No complaints.
No complaints,
10
dude.
out of 10.
I'm pretty much wrong. But you have the funny face, no worries.
That's crazy.
Hey, Richard, there's a rock, massive rock right there in the edge of that
Thank you so much. That was so cool. So guys, this is the aftermath of all of that. Not too crazy, but this truck, he was telling us, he has so many modifications to it. Like he said he could have bought a whole other car with how much he spent on just the suspension. So this thing is awesome. So this F-150 is heavily modified, but I would say even a stock one is perfectly good for handling off-roading. Okay guys, we just finished the trails. That first drop was so crazy. What did you think of it? Wasn't it like...
Yeah, that was crazy.
It was so crazy.
We had airtime and everything.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do some drag racing. So for the drag racing, everyone was tried to be paired to be as equally as possible, but you know, aside from models, there's so many different modifications that these trucks have, whether they have, you know, bigger tires, smaller tires, tires in the back weighing it down. So there's a lot of factors that, you know, could affect this, but here's the results, at least from what we were able to experience.
35s on there, you'll be alright. Nah, that's not me. That's the other one. He is slow. So he's got a bigger turbo kit on his, so he's pushing quite a bit of horsepower. I'm goose tuned, stage 2. 93.
93? Which stage? 2? I'm on E50.
Yeah, you're gonna win.
So after a little bit of trash talk, comparing specs, and seeing other people race, we were up.
Yeah, I need to be able to drive. Good job, I gotta be able to four-wheel drive.
So we did lose the first round, but then he put it in four-wheel drive, and here's what happened. Oh my gosh, we totally got him. That's crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what type of content you guys want to see next from me. What did you think of this whole thing?
Super fun, super cool. Thanks for having me.
Yes! Oh my
This
gosh.
was awesome.
Thank you again to Atlanta Raptors. Thank you, Ford, for making these amazing cars, and I can't wait to do even more things like this. See you guys in the next one. Make sure to follow God, follow your heart, do what's good in this world, be the good in this world, and I promise good is going to come right back to you. Love you guys.
Oh,